Minecraft toy. We're going to do the mystery last. And I really want to put an honor guy, but I think we're getting him in the creeper. Okay, so first we have the sheep. Next we have the skeleton. Next we have this. And we have a villager. And Steve. Yeah, we'll do Steve last, maybe. We have a gas. Time for the mystery. Let's try this one and I got the golden one. But I don't know why it fell through. And next, I was thinking we would get the creeper. And now it's time for Steve. We almost got him out. Steve. We need Steve. We're so happy. Make sure to like and subscribe.